Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Squarespace app to connect amazing third-party tools and extensions to your website. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access, browse, and make the most out of these handy integrations, taking your Squarespace site to the next level, whether you're running a personal blog or small business. Let's get started right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace website dashboard. This is your home base for managing everything about your site. If you haven't been there in a while, just head over to squarespace.com and sign in. Now, once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where most of your navigation happens. What you're looking for here is a little gear icon, usually located toward the bottom of that sidebar. It's easy to miss if you're new to the interface, so take a moment to spot it. That gear icon stands for Settings. Go ahead and click it. This opens up all the behind-the-scenes options that control your site's functionality. Now, once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of various features and controls. Scroll down just a bit, and you'll see an option called Third-Party Tools. Click on this. Think of third-party tools as bridges. They connect your Squarespace website to additional services, apps, and platforms. This is where you can really expand what your site is capable of, whether that's adding analytics, e-commerce solutions, or social media integrations. All right, once you've clicked on third-party tools, take your time. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds for the next screen to appear. Sometimes these menus pause as they load all options. Now you'll see extensions right there, probably at the top or among the first few listings. Extensions are like bonus features or upgrades that you can add to your site, kind of like putting clever add-ons onto your smartphone to make it do something new. Go ahead and click Extensions. This opens up a whole world of apps and integrations that Squarespace officially supports. Depending on what you need, you'll see options for email marketing, shipping solutions, appointment schedulers, analytics, all sorts of tools designed to help your website do more. Here, you can browse through different categories, read a brief description of each extension, and choose what fits your business or personal site. For example, if you want better newsletter management, you could connect to MailChimp. If you need advanced e-commerce features, there are payment processors, shipping calculators, and more. Imagine your Squarespace site not just as a static web page, but as a hub that talks to powerful tools in the background, making your life easier and freeing you up to focus on what matters. Once you find an extension or app that interests you, just follow the on-screen prompts to connect it to your site. Sometimes you'll need to authorize Squarespace to link up with your chosen tool, and occasionally there's a brief setup wizard to finalize the connection. It's designed to be straightforward, but remember, take it one step at a time. If something doesn't make sense or an app doesn't load, don't worry. Just double-check your internet connection, refresh the page, or try again. Most issues are quickly resolved. And that's it. You've now learned how to open up the Squarespace app and connect powerful third-party tools and extensions to your website. This will help you streamline your workflow, offer better services to your visitors, and even unlock new possibilities for your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any snags during the process. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more easy-to-follow guides on web tools, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your site.